Hello guys, this is Bicho from Nimera, and today I want to show you what I've been working on. Essentially it's a system to let people easily link their current game account with the panel, because what it was before is server owners or admins decide to buy the panel during a mid-season from their server or off their server. Literally there was no chance to let people log in and retrieve their characters, because the way it works is the panel has a master account and the master account is linked with the game account. And yeah, when you install the panel during a mid-season, people have no master accounts, and the master account is not connected with the account, with the characters and accounts and stuff. So what I've developed is basically you create a panel account, and once you log in, the panel checks if you have a master account, and it checks basically if your panel account is linked with your game account. For demonstrating you, this is a clean account with no links and stuff. So yeah, once you log in, you see on the right hand side a button that says link account. Once you click on it, the pop-up ask for your character name. In this case, I'm gonna write Splitcho because this is the character on my account, which the account I want to link. If you have multiple characters on your account that you want to link, you can write any of those. Doesn't matter basically. And once you click send verification code, the panel creates a code and stores in the database right here. And once this is done, you have 15 minutes to link your account, or you can try again. This is also configurable in the admin panel, how long you wanna have the code to being valid. I can show you after that. So yeah, once the code is created, I can log on to my account, which I'm already, and log in game. Once I'm in game, I created a voice command, which is link account short term. Oh no, it's actually short term link ACC for link account. Then you press enter and it says code retrieved. Here's the code to link your account. In this case, it's 758044. Then you click on link account, and boom, your game account is linked with the panel, or with your master account from the panel. I think it's perfect system because like I said, it was before you had to wipe your server and then install panel to the next season, which is pretty stupid in my opinion. And yeah, with this system it's pretty easy and much better, of course. Let me show you the configurable settings in the admin panel. So it's basically straightforward. It's just two settings. It's the expiry time until the code expires. By default you have 15 minutes. You can change this like you want. You can put this to 3 minutes, whatever. And the second setting is how many tries you have per hour until the code expires. In this case I have 5 tries. And yeah, this is it for today. And if you have more questions or inquiries regarding Nimera, you can join our Discord. The link is down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.